Hey everybody, so today we're going to be doing a microphone comparison. I have several mics that we're going to be doing some audio samples on, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Alright everybody, so these are the mics that I have. I have the Rode mic on the camera at the moment. We're going to be testing out this Kamika V30, the CVM-V30 Pro powered mic. We're going to be testing out, doing some audio samples on this Kamika V30 Lite. We're going to be doing some audio samples with this Kamika. I remember the name of this. This looks just almost similar to the Rode mic that I'm using on the microphone right now. This is CVM 10.2, I believe is what this one is. I don't remember. We're going to be checking out some audio on this Zephyrio lavalier mic, and as well as this Purple Panda lavalier mic. And we're also going to be, because I just thought of it, this is a pair of headphones with a built-in mic, a line mic, that came with my Note 8. So we're going to be giving that a try as well. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'm going to be doing some audio tests. Alright. First audio test is the Rode Video Micro. So this is just to check the mic and see how well the audio works. I'm going to tap it. That's going to be the first test. Next one is going to be this Kamika with the dead cat on it. It's a CVM 10.2. Audio test from the Kamika CVM-10.2. So I'm gonna tap it, and this is go check out the next audio test. So just so you see it, because I was using it the first time, here is the Rode mic. This is the Video Micro, which you can tell it looks a lot, the Kamika that I'm using now looks a lot like this Rode mic. Next one we're gonna be doing is this Kamika V30 Lite. Hey everybody, so this is the Kamika the CVM-V30 Lite. Mic check 1 2. Gonna tap on the mic a little bit. This is the non-powered version. The V30 Pro will be next. So I think the audio is working out pretty well. Get really close, talk into it. Kind of turn it around, see how well it does. I'm gonna drop the tripod down. So the ones we have tested, as the tripod tries to fall again, we've already tested the Kamika CVM-10.2. We've tested the Rode Video Micro. I threw another one in the mix. We're gonna do this. This little Vivitar is also a powered mic. We're gonna give this one a try. We're gonna do the Kamika V30 Pro because it's powered. We're gonna do this one first, and then we're gonna do the Vivitar that's powered, and then we're gonna go to 2 different lavalier mics, and then we're gonna do this very nice headset slash mic for phone calls. We're going to be doing this. This came with my Note 8. and see how well it works. Stick around. Next test coming up. Alright, so this is the CVM-V30 Pro powered mic on a GoPro Hero 6. I have it set to just on, no power boost, no decimal boost right now. The decimal boost is set on the camera. And then we're going to stop this clip, we're going to start another one, and we're going to switch it to the 10 decimal boost on the mic itself also. So it's going to be 20 decimal boost combined with the camera's boost at 10 decimal boost and the mic at 10 decimal boost. We're gonna take a quick look real quick. So I've done this one, and this one, the light. Next will be this little Vivitar, and then we're gonna do some lavalier mics, and then we're gonna do a little mic on a headset. All right. Next clip is going to be the Kamika V30 Pro with the 10 plus 10 boost. Alright everybody, so this is going to be the CVM V30 Pro powered mic with the 10 decimal boost setting on the mic and the 10 decimal boost setting on the camera. The GoPro Hero 6 is set to a powered plus mic. So we're going to do a little audio sample. I'm going to tap the mic just a few seconds, and then we're going to look at what else we got here. So here is the Rode mic we did first. Here is the Kamika CVM 10.2 we did second. Here's the Kamika V30 Lite that we did third. We're doing the V30 Pro at the moment, which you can see it's like way in the camera shot. But, you know, it's just audio testing. It'll be okay. We're going to do one more test with the Kamika V30 Pro because it has another setting on it. Stick around for that, and I'll see you on the next video. Or on the next section of the video. Be back in a second. Hi everybody, so this is the third test with the Kamika CVM V30 Pro powered mic. It is set to plus 10 decimals on the mic, plus 10 decimals on the camera. I did set the wave on the mic. The mic has two different settings. It's got an omnidirectional, and then it has a cardio setting. I switched it to the cardio setting on this clip. So the next thing we're going to be moving to is going to be this powered Vivitar mic. This is a cheapie. It's not really an expensive one. I think I got it in a bundle of like it's a $100 bundle. I think the mic might have been like $4 or $5. We're gonna give this a shot. Could do some audio testing with it, and then we're gonna move on to the lavaliers. See you in a minute. Alright, so this is going to be the audio test for the Vivitar powered mic. I'm not really sure what the model number is. It is set to 90-degree record swing, and then we'll do a second video of this Vivitar powered mic with the 120-degree field of pickup. So that's what we're doing right this minute. We're going to be looking at the ones we've tested so far: the Rode Video Micro, the Kamika CVM-10.2, the Kamika CVM V30 Lite, and then the Kamika CVM V30 Pro powered mic. The Vivitar is what we're doing now, and then we'll move to the lavaliers. This is audio test for first audio test in the field of 90 degrees. This is going to be the second video of the Vivitar powered mic. It is set to the 120 field of mic pickup. The 120 degree field instead of the 90 degree field it was set at the first time. Yep, 90 degree. So this is going to be the audio testing for this one. And then we're going to jumble all these videos together, and we're going to be putting them into one video. you guys let me know what you think of the audio testing, and let me know which one you think sounds the best. So the next, what we're going to be going to is we're going to be starting with the Purple Panda first, and then we're going to go to the Zafiro, and then we're going to go to the AKG Note 8 earbuds and mic combo for testing. So stick around and I'll see you there. Alright everybody, this is going to be the mic testing for the Purple Panda lavalier mic. I have it plugged into the camera. The Hero 6 is set to, the Hero 6 Black is set to powered plus, which is 10 decimals on normal, or it's not set to powered plus, it's on standard plus, which is standard mic, no powered mic. So this is going to be the audio testing for that. And the next one we're going to be testing is the Zafiro. We're going to be going over what I already went over. So I already went over the Rode Video Micro, the Kamika CVM 10.2, the Kamika V30 Lite, the Kamika V30 Pro, the Vivitar powered mic as well, and this one at the moment that we're using is the Purple Panda, which it came in that baggie. And then we're going to be doing the Zafiro right there in a few seconds, so stick around and I'll see you there. This is the Zafiro mic audio test. So I am using an adapter for these because the Purple Panda right here, it is a stereo, so it's got 3 rings, and so is this Zafiro. Both of these lavalier mics are stereo mics, so they are technically TRRS setups. The GoPro adapter only allows TRS, so I'm using a mono 2-ring TRS to stereo 3-ring TRRS adapter. So hopefully the audio sounds pretty good. We're going to have to be doing the same thing for this headset right here because it also is a stereo, so it's got 3 rings and a post. So let me know what you guys think of the audio for the Zafiro lavalier mic. And thank you guys for watching, and we'll go to the very last one I have, which is the Note 8 earbud headset with a mic that came with the Note 8 for calling. So we're going to test that out real quick. See you there. Alright, this is the last audio test. This is going to be for the Samsung AKG, I think. Yeah, AKG earbuds and mic. Mic is right here on the side. This is just an audio test. So, see how it turns out. I want to know if it sounds better, which mic sounds better, what you guys think. Also, just as a side note, both the Zafiro and the Purple Panda did come with extensions. This Purple Panda came with a 20-foot extension. The Zafiro came with a 50-foot extension. And the mic that I just tested, it comes with a mini USB to 3.5 millimeter adapter. The Zafiro came with a mono stereo amp jack to 3.5 millimeter adapter. Came with an extra shirt clip. Purple Panda came with the mic with a shirt clip already on it. The Purple Panda also came with, instead of the foam, it came with the dead cat for it, which is right there. There's the dead cat for the Purple Panda. It did come with this, also did come with a mini USB to 3.5 millimeter jack adapter. It did come with the Purple Panda came with a mono TRS to stereo TRRS cable. The Zafiro came with a cable just like this, but instead of it being a cable, it's actually just a piece like this. So basically, both these ends are connected just like that. So it's a long stick. I'll show you on the finale of the ending of the video, and the extension. And it also came with an extra clip. So thank you for watching. Stick around for the ending, and I'll see you there. Alright everybody, so this is going to be the conclusion at the end of the video for the mic testing. I am going to be showing you what mics we used. I put the Rode Video Micro back on the mic, so it's not in the screenshot, but it is in most of the rest of the videos. So the Rode Video Micro, the Kamika CVM -102, the Kamika CVM V30 Lite, the Kamika CVM-V30 Pro powered mic, the Vivitar 90 degrees field of pickup and 120 degree field of pickup. We also, because I forgot, we also did on the V30, you can see that it's got a +10. We did 3 videos on this one, just regular on, +10, and +10 with the cardio setting instead of the omnidirectional setting. And then we did the Zafiro. We spoke about the Zafiro mic and all of its accessories, and we also did the Purple Panda, spoke about all the Purple Panda's accessories. We also did these AKG Samsung earbuds with built-in mic for calling for your cell phone. We put those to the test as well. And I think that would be it, and that would conclude the rest of the video. And also, just because I stated I would let you know, both the Zafiro and the Purple Panda came with mono to stereo adapters, which is basically a TRS to a TRRS adapter. The Purple Panda came with this long one like this, and the Zafiro came with this stick. It's a mono to TRS to stereo TRRS. So thank you guys for watching, and please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell for notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. It doesn't cost you anything if you purchase through one of my links, or you just use my link to get to Amazon. Amazon will send me a kickback. It will not be charged to you. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and it helps me out to do videos like this. Thank you guys for watching, and hit the bell notification icon and check the all button, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.